And today we're going to be doing right triangle word problems. Let me get rid of all of this. These were from several failed attempts at recording, so because I've been having problems. Okay, and we're back. Whatever. Okay. So let's see. Isabella is making a huge flag for our country. The Republic of Seychelles. Or Seychelles. On a canvas 20 by 10 meters long. To do that, she has to draw a diagonal that begins at the bottom left corner and ends at the right side of the flag at a height of 7 meters. Since the ends of the diagonal are too far to put a ruler between them, Isabella wanted to find the angle of the diagonal and draw it using a protractor. What is the angle of elevation in degrees of the diagonal? Round your final answer to the nearest tenth. Alright, so let's see here. So we've got a triangle with the sides 7 and 20, and obviously we need to find the angle right here between the white and the green. So we're going to be using inverse trigonometric functions or whatever. So let's see. Looks like the most logical option is opposite over adjacent. Yeah, opposite over adjacent. So, which is 7 over 20, it appears to be. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Also, make sure your calculator is in degrees, not radians. Very important stuff. I can say from past experiences, I've gotten problems wrong on here until I found out that you need to make sure that your calculator is on degrees, not radians. Anyway. See? Alright, let's move on to the next question. The people of Bridgetown wanted to build a bridge. Wait a minute. If this is Bridgetown, then why do they need a bridge if they should already have bridges? Whatever. Bridgetown wanted to build a bridge across a nearby river. Since they were poor swimmers, their master, Trigonomos, agreed to measure the width of the river without actually crossing it. Trigonomos spotted a tree across the river and marked the spot directly across from it. He then walked to another point, 15 meters down the river, and found that the angle between his side and the river and the line between his side of the river and the line connecting him to the tree was 76 degrees. What is the width of the river? What is the width of the river? Round your final answer to the nearest hundredth. So let's see. There's 76 and 15. So I know I went over this in the one going over sine, cosine, and tangent, but for those who haven't been with us, let me show you. So pretty much you write, well, let's see. We're trying to find the, wait, what's wait, hold on. So this is 15, we know that. Okay, hold on. Which side are we supposed to be finding again? What is the width of the river? how wide it is. That would be this side here. That would make more sense for it. Because he's standing right here, so he's... Thank you! Bless you. Thanks, Tia. Okay. I'm assuming it's this one. If we get it wrong, then blame me. So we're going to be doing opposite over adjacent. So, which is the question mark part. Like, hold on. I was going to write it out for you. Just let me get back to doing that. Do it like this. Now, I don't know how to make a degrees thing on here, so. And then opposite, which in this case is the mystery side that we're trying to find, and 15. And you always want to get rid of the denominator with doing this. So depending if it's the mystery number that is the denominator, then what you were going to do is put the question mark over here and shift the sin and degree under the number. But if the number is the denominator, then you're going to just multiply it times what you get out of the sin function here, if that makes any sense. So, like this. Yeah, okay. 76. And we want the oh wait, wrong one. What I meant to do was do the cosine, because that's opposite over adjacent. Wait, hold on. I put sin in here. Oh snap, I almost messed up really bad. Okay. That was not intentional, so forget this. I meant cosine, because that's opposite over adjacent. I'm forgetting my SOHCAHTOA. So, and for those of you who do not know what that is just sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse. Oh, okay. Hold on. Adjacent over hypotenuse and opposite over adjacent, and I do not know why that just happened. Okay, we are back. This has been happening to me a lot today, believe it or not. Okay, yeah, it's back. Wait, where the heck did the thing go? Oh well, you saw it. Okay. Let's see. Alright, yes, so the cosine of 76 is... Oh, can you guys see this or not? I like having this full screen because... Here we go. So we find the cosine of this, and then we multiply that times our number, which is 15. Which is 3.62. Let me leave out of here. Oh, and we messed it up. Like I messed it up. Okay. Yeah, I did that. See, this kind of stuff always... Wait, it said tangent. Oh, well, opposite over adjacent. God dang it, it was supposed to be the tangent. Yeah, I'm not very good at making sure that I do not mix up the three. So forgive me for that. That is my bad. And props to you of those paying attention and probably figuring this out before I mess this up. Okay. So we have another one. Barbara's building a wooden cabin. The cabin is 42 meters wide. She obtained a bunch of 27 meters long wooden beams for the roof of the cabin. Naturally, she wants to place the roof beams in such an angle that the pair of opposite beams would meet exactly in the middle. What is the angle of elevation in degrees of the roof beams? So we're looking for this angle right here, the angle of elevation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hold up, this is a square. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut this in half. So, oh gosh. This keeps happening and it's embarrassing. Okay, now let's see. 42 divided by 2 would be, for the sake of time, let's just use this calculator here. I mean, we might as well, right? Yeah, that's 21. All right, so the length of this is 21 right here. And this side is 27. So we're going to do the hypotenuse by the adjacent, which adjacent over hypotenuse, that is the cosine. Yes, okay. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So we are going to divide those, since we're using the inverse ones. 21. Right, yeah, adjacent over 21 divided by 27. Okay, and now we are going to plug that into the, here we go. Okay, 38.94. Oh, wait, said round to the nearest tenth. Haha, tried to trick me, huh? Alright, last one. Archimedes went to sleep beside a big rock. He wanted to get up at 7 a.m., but the alarm clock was yet to be invented, so he decided to sleep at the spot where the rock's shadow would end when it's 7 a.m., so as to be awakened by the direct sunlight. Archimedes knew that at 7 a.m. the sunlight reaches the ground at an angle of 31 degrees. The rock beside which he slept was 5 meters tall. How far from the rock did Archimedes go to sleep? And we are looking for this side right here, where the sun will be directly in Archimedes' face. So, to make this easier on the eyes, what we are going to do, just get rid of all this jumbo over here. Oh, come on. Yeah, WebPaint is great because it's free, but not so great because it doesn't always do what you want. Which can be annoying sometimes, if you know what I mean. Alright, that's a bit better. Now, what I was going to do was this, so that way you can have a better time envisioning what this is, so. Or better yet, we can just leave it like this. Alright, so this is 5. This side is 5, and that is 31, so. Like, just pretend that the 5 was right here, because this rectangular block is the same height right here as this triangle, so. I'm just gonna write 5 right here for, like, okay, that is just disgusting. Let me just type this up instead. Alright. Right here. 5. Done. Alright. And we are looking for this side here. So that is going to be hypotenuse and opposite, which is sine opposite over hypotenuse. So to write this out, so we can figure out what to do, because it can change depending on where the numbers are, remember. So the sign for real this time, opposite. Okay, first 31, not 32. Okay. 31, okay. Yeah. 5 over the mystery number. All right, so now we're going to have one of those examples. So pretty much what you do here is you bring the question mark on this side, and you have the number get divided by the sine of 31 degrees in this case. So it looks like this. So let's do that. So first, we need to find the sine. So 31, and the sine of that is that, whatever that is, and we are going to copy that, because pretty much, yeah, I'm not going to type out this whole number. That's ridiculous. No one wants to do that. Do they? So 5 divided by the number is 9.70, and that says to the nearest hundred, so that's allowed. All right, now let me have a look here. Yeah, that's right. And oh, come on. What did I do wrong this time? What do you mean you need the tangent? They wanted that side of the triangle? Oh, the distance between. Okay. Yeah. Okay, well, that was my tutorial on right triangle word problems. Always make sure to read the problem thoroughly. That's the main thing here. And not to get sine, cosine, and tangent confused. Thank you for watching. Oh, you're still here.